All right, all right, all right. It's 4 o'clock Thursday, and it was a relatively good market day. We closed up 18 points. So we're just going to rip through this, not make it too fancy. But again, I'm holding out on that AMC so that I get some listeners, because people just jump in to get my AMC news and then split. So anyway, we stream from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and we take a couple of trades in the morning, directional trades using options. We've been doing pretty good. I think we had one losing day since June. Some days better than others, but today we had a good day, and I believe we took 2 trades within the first 15 or 20 minutes of the market, made some money, and then didn't really have to break our ass for the rest of the day. So check us out tomorrow, see what we're doing. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like, and I appreciate all that effort. So very quickly, looking at Tesla, strong bar up on the daily, but still in a consolidation right here. You can make a pennant. This is kind of an outlier. I would go, I would make my pennant like that. And whoops, wrong. Where are you? I had the shortcuts, but for some reason it's not working now. Still getting to know this. And like that. And you could take the breakout on this. If you're trading Tesla, but it's consolidating, it's choppy. I mean, but I think we did see 20 some odd points on the sucker today. On the 60, it's bullish. The momentum's bullish. The daily, the momentum is just trading off. But yet this is an oscillator, so it could be working its way back to the zero line, and now it's going to start taking off again. So just you can keep your eye on that. NVIDIA. Taking its time loading up. All right, I'm going to pass on the video. I don't think my friend is trading it anymore anyway. So one of the free folk were trading it, and that's why I pulled it up. Finally, here we go. All right. Well, you know what? Just looks like a consolidation to me on the daily. So I'll just let it churn its way out, see if it gives me a good setup. Nothing really exciting. Looks kind of bearish on the 60. So that being the case, you can consider this a trend reversal. Look for a break below this pivot right here, and that's a good entry, in my opinion. Another good entry would have been breaking this low a couple of days ago. But this is a good conservative entry right here. And the 60s support it. That's on Amazon. Let's look at Apple. Apple's a good trading stock. Got like an M pattern up on the top. You got a good divergence on the on the Mac Daddy. So a break of that pivot low is a good entry. And the 60-minute would support it. Looks like we're making lower high on the momentum to come down, so that looks like a good good correction pattern right there. Then you could use your fibs just to manage the trade. Looking at the 10-year, nothing's changed. It's consolidating. I mean, that's bonds. Bonds can consolidate forever before they make a move, but it's consolidating. The daily momentum is getting a little bit stronger, and we may get a breakout eventually. I mean, I think it's quite clear that bonds are going to start moving up. It's just a matter of when, not if. The S&P, the market that just won't quit. But so we had a little retrace, broke to the upside. Really, I call this a consolidation. You got a divergence on the momentum to the price action. This could trigger the divergence. I don't think it's going to be too aggressive, but I am looking for that 43.25 range. Just when it's coming, I do not know, but it's holding above the 8-day EMA, so can't argue. We're going to play it to the upside until it corrects. The 60-minute is bullish, but giving some neutral indications. So we'll just watch it. We just have to watch it for that break. I'm sure the other indexes look relatively the same, which they do, a general idea. You still have that divergence on the daily, on the Dow, and getting a neutral indication on the 60-minute. Composite's probably telling us the same thing, which it is. And then finally Bitcoin. So yeah, we're still looking for that 41,300 break, and that's where the baby will start running. The momentum's still strong up to the upside. The 60-minute is looking a little bearish, but I think it's just going to maintain a neutral posture, and we'll just watch that for the break to the upside. Then finally AMC, and really AMC just uninspiring, nothing going on, man. This is just a hold on to a pattern, and let's see. It like I said, it's getting long in the tooth on this little micro trend. If it breaks it, I don't think it's going to be too aggressive on the break, unless people just jump in it and get excited. If it breaks this 30.92, that's where you got to get nervous. But breaking this micro trend at this point, I don't think is going to show a lot of aggression to the downside. So that's the short of the long. The 60 minutes turning a little bullish, but that's okay. I still think that this is consolidating a little bit. But okay, that's the short of the long. I appreciate you stopping in. Check me out at 9 o'clock. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, and hit the road. Good luck trading.